Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you new Instagram feature called photo drop feature on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and before I show you the feature, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story, and for example, I'm just going to upload random photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and then to get the photo drop feature, we have to go to the sticker menu, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the photo drop. Okay, basically we can use this feature to collect photos from our followers. For example, I'm going to collect photos of magic glass like this, and you can read the description right here guys. Viewers can send photos here by clicking on this plus icon, and then viewers will be credited when you share their photos in your story. Okay, and you can change the color of the background like this, and I'm gonna go with this purple, and then you can click on done, and I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, before you share the story, you can edit your story, you can add music and then text or folder, it's up to you. Then once you're ready to share your story, you can click on your story. Okay, and now this story is being uploaded. Hold on guys, and I'm going to open up my second account, my second Instagram account, to check the story. Wait, I'm going to switch it to this account. Okay, and then this is my Instagram story. I'm going to open it, and this is how the story looks like, and I'm going to click on send photos. Okay, I'm going to send this photo guys. Click on send and wait for a moment. Okay, now the photo has been sent, and I'm going to go back to my first account, and I'm going to go to my notification, and this is the photo. Okay, click on the photo, and then here you will be able to share the response or delete the response. If you want to share it, you can click on share response. Okay, and then you can share it to your Instagram story. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to use the photo drop feature to collect photos from our followers on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.